జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 6th చాప్టర్ ఆత్మ సంయమయోగము 1st శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, now you realized how great I am, and also you realized how close I am to you. Now what you need to do is keep performing all your prescribed duties just to make me happy. So very purpose of all your activities should be my happiness. If you make sure that if you keep my happiness as goal for all your activities, then you are regarded as karma yogi and jnana yogi. Arjuna, just by renouncing prescribed duties or just by giving up all Agni Karyam and Sandhya Vandanam, they never be considered as either sannyasi or yogi. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma teaching us to make sure Krishna Paramatma's happiness should be the goal of every of our action. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Anasritaha karma phalam karyam karma karoti yaha sasannyasi cha yogi cha na niragnihi na chakriyaha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service, keep on doing namaskaram to me, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam saranam vraja, do not cry, ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teaching Srimad Bhagavad Gita every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతము ద్వితీయ స్కంధం, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Paramatma, Sriman Narayana, teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Chaturmukha Brahma in the form of 4 slokas. Through first sloka, Sriman Narayana saying that, O Vedagarbha Brahma, in Vedas I am disclosed as a personification of Jnanam. I have Jnanam, I have attributes, divine qualities. Veda talks about it. O Vedagarbha, I cannot be identified based upon place, time and objects. O Vedagarbha, this entire Srishti is my Swarupam. The Srishti which is filled up with sentient and insentient, all of it is my Swarupam. O Brahma, Jagat Srushti, Jagat Sthiti, Jagat Laya, this creation, preservation and dissolution, Srushti, Sthiti, Laya, these are all my activities. O Vedagarbha, like this my nature, personality, attributes, forms, my activities, my wealth, everything will be known to you because of my anugraham. I am going to bless you with that kind of tattvajnanam. Like this, Sriman Narayana saying to Chaturmukha Brahma. And through second sloka, Sriman Narayana saying to Chaturmukha Brahma like this, O Brahma, I am going to disclose about my nature to you. I am different from soul. I am different from Prakriti. And I am there even before all of it. All these entities in this entire creation, I am there with each and every entity. Before Srishti Karyam, this Jiva and Prakriti both are there with me without being able to see that they are separate from me. That means before Srishti, I am only the one exists. And after Srishti is done, in each and every entity I am existing. After I withdraw this entire Srishti, I exist. That means, O Vedagarbha, I am the cause, I am the effect also. Now you have to understand, before Srishti, I am there. In this Srishti, I am there. After Srishti, I am only the one there. Like this, Sriman Narayana giving his teachings to Chaturmukha Brahma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Idam Shariram Parinamapesalam Patatyavasyam Sledha Sandhi Jarjaram. किमौषधैः क्लिश्यसि मूढदुर्मते निरामयं कृष्णरसायनं पिब। कृष्णो रक्षतु नो जगत्त्रयगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहम्। कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः। कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्। శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 6th చాప్టర్ 1st శ్లోక. అనాశ్రితః కర్మఫలం కార్యం కర్మ కరోతి యః స సన్యాసీ చ యోగీ చ న నిరగ్నిః న చాక్రియః. అనాశ్రితః కర్మఫలం కార్యం కర్మ కరోతి యః స సన్యాసీ చ యోగీ చ న నిరగ్నిః న చాక్రియః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.